we are reviewing this little racing car, this little baby here. It cost just under £30 to buy on Amazon, and I will stick a link in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. And originally we bought it for my grandson, but he's not old enough, he's only 4. So it says a 6 plus, so I'm going to have to play with it, ain't I? Oh well, never mind. He'll get it eventually. The thing I liked about this one, not just for the fact it got 2.4 gigahertz, because most of these have anyway, but they claim it can last up to 50 minutes with 2 batteries, 25 minutes on each battery. It has a 600 milliamp rechargeable battery, which I thought was quite good. It takes AA batteries for the remote, not included. It uses the USB charger for your milliamp, which is included, and it's even got a screwdriver included. A user manual, like I said earlier, 2.4 gigahertz technology, and you can use it indoors and outdoors. And the other thing I liked about it is they've done some tests on it. It says on Amazon website, 100% tested toy, built out of high quality ABS and PA material. The car has been undergone impact and drop tests, ensuring toughness and maximum durability. That's what it says on Amazon website, and I've no reason to disbelieve them. But we will be sort of chucking it about, not literally chucking it about, but driving it off some steps and things like that, just to see how tough she really is. So with that, I'll do the unboxing. So user manual, read that later. And get that out of the way. So there it is. Nice, looks quite nice actually. Turn it upside down. So that is everything you get in the box. Don't forget, you get 2 batteries, which is nice. And I'm guessing they will go in now. So that is what the screwdriver's for, as you would expect. Da, da, da. Going there. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to put the battery on charge to make sure it's fully charged, and then we're going to give it a little test. Right, I've been running it for about 15 minutes and the battery's still going strong. It's still got the first battery in. I haven't put the other battery in yet. I've only gave it the one charge. So it'll probably last about 20 to 25 minutes like they claim. So yeah, pretty good. And I did chuck it about, and I know I said I wouldn't chuck it about, but I did, and it didn't break. Thank God. So yeah, they've done a drop test and I thought, well, I don't really need to do one, but I'll do it just in case. So yeah, I threw it about a few times and yeah, nothing's broken on it. It still feels pretty solid. It does bounce a bit as well, which is really good. It's only 2-wheel drive, but is it worth £30 or £29.99 I think I paid? Yeah, if you're looking for something like this for your child or even for an adult, yeah, it's well worth the money. Don't forget, it's built for 6+, and my grandson's only 4, but I am going to let him play about with it. Obviously, I'll keep an eye on him, be with him when he uses it to make sure he doesn't, damage anything or crash into anything. But yeah, it should be fine. He should have a lot of fun with this, or we should have a lot of fun with this. So with that, if you like my video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Let's have a look play about again.